Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly extract the exact day name, like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, from any standard date in Excel. First, click on the empty cell right next to your date column where you want the day name to appear, for example, cell B2. Type the following formula exactly as shown. Equal, text, open parenthesis, cell A2, comma, quotation mark, dddd, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Hit enter and Excel will instantly look at the date in cell A2 and display the full day name. You can then double-click the bottom right corner of cell B2 to use the fill handle and drop the calculation down your entire column. And that's it. Your date tracking is now clean, readable, and perfectly organized. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.